2022 Toyota Camry. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.